I hit the ball.
Oh no
Shit.
no!
That's 1 point for you. Get juked out.
Yes!
Two
Yeah!
for you. Oh.
Haha!
Oh.
Oh no!
1 point for me. And then 2 for you. Okay.
Really? That's it?
Maybe he's going like this, so just press restart. Damn it.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
3 for you. Oh. 4 for you.
Ooh. Man, for the creator of this game, you're not very good at it.
My teacher just made. Teacher's the one that helped us out make it.
This is the slowest ball I've ever seen in my entire life, Nicholas.
Because we kept putting random speeds on it.
Who? Us?
Me.
You? Why would you do this?
Oh, that's how we coded it. Put random speed every turn.
No!
Bye-bye.
What the heck?
2 for me, 4 for you.
This is gonna be the longest game of my life. It's gonna go past you. What the heck? What the heck just happened?
Alright, 3 for me, 5 for you. It's cause
Wait, I wasn't even pressing the
you're
right
pressing the
thing.
wrong ones. Ooh.
Ooh!
4 for me, 4 for you. Next point wins.
Are we playing up to 5 or 10?
If you wanna go 10, you can.
What's the assignment? 10 or 5?
We'll go to 10 if you want.
Okay, we'll just do it. I want to take a few
Alright, you have 5, I have 4.
Okay, some advice for the next game. Don't make it go this slow.
Bye bye.
Oh! It was so close.
5 and 5. Oh. Oh.
Ooh. Wait, stop pressing the wrong buttons.
Yeah.
No, what
the? 6 for me, 5 for you. 6 for me, 6 for you. It's going your way.
Wow.
My mistake. 6. No, 7 6.
Who's 7?
Me.
What?
Me.
What the? I knew I should have gone up.
8 to 6.
Seriously, I was kicking your butt. How are you winning? Ya Allah!
9 6.
I'm not even gonna. I hate you.
One more, one more, one more.
Oh. What was that?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.